Yeah, gonna have a little go at making these ramen noodles here. I've just got some pre-packets. Not tried these before. So this one here from Kyushu. Product of Japan. And we've got this other type. This one Hokkaido. I'll get this open in a minute and see what it's like. I'm not sure exactly how we do it, but 500 milliliters of boiling water. I'll just put this down. Just to get this open. Yeah, so this is what's actually inside the packet. I have 2 noodle sticks. It's like a flavour sachet. I've just got the water boiling over here. Quite straightforward to make. I do like the design on these packets. Get it better in the light. So I'm just waiting for the water to boil. Put this down. So I've got 500 milliliters of water in there. It's like it's boiling away nicely. You can add say like egg and different meats in there, but I thought I'd just do it straight from the packet. So it's about time now. I'll just put this down. So we're just going to be adding the sauce packet. So yeah, just makes the soup. And so it is better if you can add meat in and extra things. I'd say probably best served with, say, a boiled egg and and a piece of pork, maybe some spring onions. But I thought I'd try it to see how it is, just from the packet. I'll just serve this up. Definitely very quick noodles. I've never tried the actual packet noodles from Japan, so it's the first time I've tried these. I did have proper ramen noodles in Osaka. So yeah, it does seem to be quite a broth. So there is the finished product. I say ideally if you can add say a boiled egg and spring onions, maybe some pork, and place that in after as well. So just like on the packet, be more of an authentic experience. But still, if you want a quick bowl of ramen, it's simple to make. It's yeah, quite a good option. I have to give it a try.